Hey guys, you are watching Rameem Daim Arts. Welcome to my channel. Let's start our 3D video. Guys, start your 3D pencil drawing by outlining the basic shapes and forms. Use light basic lines to establish the structure of your object. Whether it's simple object or a complex scene, focus on capturing and fundamental shapes accurately. This step sets the groundwork for the dimensional aspects of your drawing, guys. Gradually introduce shading to add depth and dimension to your 3D drawing. Identify the primary light source in your scene and apply shading accordingly. Utilize techniques and such as hatching, cross hatching, and stippling to create shadows and highlights. Vary the pressure on your pencil to achieve different tones, emphasizing the contrast between light and shadow for a realistic effect. Guys, uh, mastering perspective is crucial for creating a convincing 3D drawing. Understand vanishing points and how objects appear smaller as they recede into the distance. Apply perspective to your lines and shapes, ensuring that proportions are accurate. This step adds a sense of realism and depth, as you can see, making your drawing visually compelling. Enhance the tactile quality of your 3D pencil drawing by incorporating textures and details. Pay attention to the surface of characteristics of the objects of in your scene, whether it's the roughness of a stone or the smoothness of glass. Experiment with different pencil strokes to convey textures effectively, adding richness and complexity to your artwork. Cause take the time to refine your drawing by adjusting and proportions, refining details, and ensuring a cohesive overall appearance. Add any final touches like shovel highlights or additional shading, guys. As you can see, our 3D drawing is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay connected, guys, for new videos.